Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the watch has juice and your phone is ready. This saves time. Plug the charger in and charge to at least half. Open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone, then enable Bluetooth and location so the devices can see each other. Tap Start on the watch and select your model in the app. Once the pairing prompt appears, confirm the code on both devices. This secures the connection and lets you move to setup. Once paired, the app guides you through permissions and feature choices. Take them one at a time. Allow notifications and health access so steps and heart rate sync. This is why the watch is useful. Customize quick replies and watch faces, and install only the apps you'll use to conserve battery. Make sure to check for firmware updates in the wearable app. Updating improves stability and adds features. If you change settings, the watch applies them. To finish, practice navigating with the bezel or swipe so control feels natural. This speeds tasks. Start a workout from the exercise tile and let Samsung Health sync activities automatically. This is how progress is tracked. For battery care, lower screen brightness and disable always on if you need 2-day life. If pairing or sync breaks, restart phone and watch first. If that fails, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repair. A reset clears stubborn glitches. Use it as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.